Trading versus investing. Which one is better? Well, let me tell you immediately the truth. None is better. Every strategy is good, but you have to understand which one is better for you. When I worked at Bloomberg, I had this colleague, it was a Greek guy who was incredibly smart. And we had constant debates about which one is better. I was a hardcore value investor. I would buy companies like this camping site. I knew lots of tourists will come there every year. The price earnings ratio was 7, the dividend yield was 10%, and I bought that. After 5 years, the market recognized the value. It was a 4-bagger. So, laid back value investor. On the contrary, my colleague at Bloomberg, he was an options trader. He would sit under a screen every day, and over a period of 3 years, he made a yearly returns of 36%. So he was better than me. However, there is a difference. So you have to find what is better for you, what's more suitable for you. So the first question you have to ask yourselves, do you like more to look at stock prices, or do you feel prouder to own a business? An investor owns a business. A trader looks at what's going on in the market. So depends where do you get more excited? A business owner, so you own a stock of Amazon. Every time that somebody clicks on Amazon, buys something, you feel like an owner, like Jeff Bezos. If you like stock prices, then you try to anticipate what the market will do, find strategies to lower your risk and increase your rewards, trade accordingly, learn about how to do technicals, charting and everything. If you love that more, then you're a trader. Which one is best? Warren Buffett, returns of 20% per year over 50 years, investor. George Soros, returns of 26% per year over 40 years, trader. So you can be successful at anything. The second question you have to ask is time. How do you see your day? If you're a trader, when the markets are open, when you're trading, you have to be there, you have to analyze what's going on now. So short term, who is saying what is Mario Draghi saying, what's Yellen saying, how will that affect what you're trading, and so. So you have to be there, and you have to love being there. It's more like an intellectual competitions with all other traders, and you want to be the smartest one. So that's one point. On the other hand, in investor, you don't have to watch what's going on in the market, but you have to read a lot. You have to understand the history of the company, the fundamentals, the earnings, and see how that evolves over time, the debt levels, what will happen in the sector, analyze long-term trends to see how will that affect your company. So it's again short-term influences, there are also longer-term traders, so short-term, medium-term influences versus long-term structural trends, demographics and similar. So again, you have to see what is better for you. The third point is that when you understand which one you are, you can use something from the other side that will help you. For example, my favorite miner, Nevsun Resources, earlier this year slashed its dividend from 5% yield to 1% yield. When I read the news, I was online looking at the market. I knew that the impact on the stock price will be terrible. What dividend investors don't like is when a company slashes a dividend, even if it is for growth, because Nevsun was investing in Timok. So I immediately saw that when the market opened, I sold my complete position, everything. In the next days and weeks, I bought even more stocks. I was a certain amount of stocks, later I bought even more for the same money. So practically I shorted in a way Nevsun. So I used trading even if I am a value long-term investor. Sometimes you just don't want to be stupid as an investor and use trading. A trader, on the other hand, can use investing. For example, you start with a certain amount of money And then as a trader, if you do options, you can get wiped out here and there. So you can invest in real estate, good stocks on separate accounts when you live there, and that's your life savings security, and you continue trading with what you have. So perhaps different than all other YouTube channels, all other investors, I say that both trading is good, both investing is good. You just need to know which one is for you and then learn how to be a good trader or a good investor. That's it. Don't listen to anybody who says that investing is better than trading and the other way around. History has shown us that there are plenty of traders who have been extremely successful, and they are usually 10 years in the business and then they enjoy their lives because they do other things, but made a lot of money. Investors, on the other hand, also plenty of successful investors who have enjoyed great returns, especially value investors, over a long period of times. So think, ask yourself, be self-aware, what's best for you, and you will see great results in the long term. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more content, more interesting investment insights, stock picks, sector analysis that will help your trading and your investing. Have a great day.